Hello and welcome to another Recipe Wednesday as a part of the Strive for Health April Wellness Challenge. My name is Mary Ann Wright and I'm a 4-H area educator with Lincoln University Cooperative Extension. I'm happy to have Miss Levita joining me today, so I'm going to let her take over.
Hi, Mary Ann, and thanks for having me. My name is Levita Lockridge, and I am a program assistant for FNIP, Expanded Food Nutrition Education Program, and I work for Lincoln University. Today, helping me is one of the one-for-one girls,
Kimaya.
and I will be making a customized trail mix today. And for this customized trail mix, you can use cereal, whether it's Cheerios, Chex, Golden Grams, or even popcorn. For our second group, you can use mini pretzels, cheese crackers, goldfish, Cheez-Its, granola, Teddy Grahams, or even corn nuts. And you'll be using 1/2 cup. And for our final group, group 3, which we'll use 1/4 cup, we'll have dried fruit, raisins, cranberries, apricots. You can even use cashews or peanuts if you like. Chocolate or butterscotch chips, and I think we have some chocolate chips. You can also use M&Ms, gummy bears, marshmallow seeds. So we're going to get started. The first thing we're going to do is pick 2 ingredients from group 1, and we're going to mix those ingredients in our bowl. When you're using measuring cups, make sure you use the appropriate measuring cup for each of your ingredients. The first measuring cup that she's using is 1 cup. And she's going to try to add some crunchy to her customized trail mix. And make sure that you add crunchy, make sure you can add sweet, and you also can add salty to your trail mix. Make sure that when you are measuring your dry goods, make sure you use a dry measuring cup and make sure you fill it all the way to the top. Very good. Very good. And next, group 2, we will use a 1/2 cup and do the same. Pick 2 ingredients from group 2 and add those to the bowl. She chose cheddar cheese. Okay, we're going to make sure that we fill it all the way to the line. Very good. Very good. And your next choice, are you going to use pretzels or are you going to use granola? She's going to use pretzels. So we'll add pretzels. Make sure that you always wash your hands before and after preparing your meals. Very good. And our final group, group 3. We're going to use 1/4 cup of 2 ingredients, and we'll be adding those also to our mixture. Fill it all the way to the top. Very good. She chose chocolate chips and marshmallows. Very good. Very good. Very good. Yeah. Can you show them what's inside of your bowl and what it looks like, what all your ingredients mixed together look like? Very good. Now that she has all 6 ingredients in her large mixing bowl, gently toss it with a spoon and mix it very well, okay? Very good. She has some sweet, she has salty, and she has crunchy, all in her customized trail mix. Looks very good, and this trail mix will be good for an after-school snack or breakfast. It's a very good healthy treat. And now we are going to try some of our customized trail mix. Try it, Kamaya, and tell us how you like it. Very good. There you go. She said it was very good. And as you see, it was easy to make. And so we're going to get busy filling our bellies with our customized trail mix. Again, thank you.